Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thanks guys so much. Thanks you guys. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we are going to take a look at Bitcoin, take a look at some technical analysis. We have been in a pretty hefty pullback right now, dumping a lot of altcoins across the board are red. Nothing is really green today. Very seldom few coins are green today. So we're going to look at what's going on. Basically, is the pain almost over? So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well, because I'll do this research for you guys. I'll let you guys know what the sentiment is in social media, so analysts and things like that. I'm looking at that all the time. Obviously, I want you guys to do your own research, do your own due diligence, but if you want, a quick word of what's going on, get caught up very quickly on, the overall feel of the market, just tune in and I'll certainly be glad to help you guys out. Now, we know that technical analysis is never 100% correct. We use a number of different indicators to kind of figure out where things are headed. And sometimes we're wrong, but in a lot of cases, we can usually figure it out. It's just kind of a hit and miss thing. But Bitcoin can be pretty volatile and unpredictable at some times. So, we have been, having some big liquidations in the market right now. $350 in liquidated positions over the last day. The weekend crash is continuing. So Bitcoin dumped to over 57,000 just minutes ago, while altcoins bleed out even worse. The liquidated positions have skyrocketed to 350 million. And it all started Friday after the U.S. jobs report came out, which showcased high levels of unemployment in the United States. Wall Street had crashed, and so did the crypto market. Bitcoin, for instance, fell from 66,000 to 62.2. And, we're hearing that nasty R word going around, recession. People are, kind of starting to panic, and the market is just basically trying to digest the news. Saturday, we saw another leg down, which Bitcoin slipped to just under 60,000. Another thing that we have, looming over us is, unrest in the Middle East. They're talking about Iran potentially attacking Israel in the coming days. So, the market is trying to kind of prepare for what that could mean. I'm anticipating we're going to see an oversold market, and then we're going to see a bounce back. But obviously, nobody has a crystal ball. As long as things don't get too out of control there, we'll have to wait and see what happens. But this drop also continued today. Bitcoin had recovered some ground and stood close to 62,000 in this afternoon. But the bear's dominance resumed in the past few hours, and it drove Bitcoin down to 57.2 on Bitstamp. ETH has also plummeted to 2,700. BNB is also down to 500. Sol has slumped to $135, and so on. These are the prices that we've been wishing we could see again. But now everybody seems to be scared, not sure whether to deploy some capital or wait on the fence to see what happens. But that is everybody, you're going to have to make that decision on your own. I'm not here telling you, yes, it's going to go up tomorrow. I'm just saying that we could be close to a bottom. The total value of liquidated positions on a daily scale is up to 350 million, according to CoinGlass. And the single largest liquidated position was worth a whopping 27 million and took place on Huobi. Wow, I don't even know what I would do if I lost 27 million. I don't have 27 million to put up in the first place, or even if I had leveraged. I mean, that's just absolutely insane. Let's jump over, and we are going to look at the chart on TradingView for just 1 second. Sorry about that. I have cat hair. I just fed my cats, and yeah, they're really excited. I gave them some wet food that they don't normally get. So, all right. So, yeah, this is the Bitcoin chart right here. And we are showing that the RSI, I'm going to move myself over here for a sec. There we go. So the RSI down in the right-hand corner here is showing 35. So we're almost in the oversold position. This thing is dropping down pretty far, but we're still not down as far as we were a couple of weeks ago. So that is what is going on there. And then we're going to jump over to Rect Capital here. There we go. Throw myself here. So Rect Capital, I follow these guys on X. If you're looking for, some pretty reliable technical analysis, you can go over there and follow them. He says Bitcoin's on the cusp of a weekly candle close before the base of the black channel, similar to what happened only a few weeks ago. So we're just kind of watching this closely. So he is sharing Bitcoin's drop to new lows. The bottom on this Bitcoin pullback is not yet in. I know this is a He posted that 21 hours ago, but he is saying that he's reposting that with this. So that's his update on this. It's not in yet. So we haven't seen that yet. But he also says this is very important. Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you that the bull market is over, and then it will resume its uptrend. And I agree with that. I think that we are going to, obviously this is painful. This is painful for a lot of people. This is why you don't always leverage trade everything that you have. Obviously, like when I'm leverage trading on Marjax, which I have a link in the description below if you want to check them out. And I'm not like plugging for them at all or here or anything, but I do enjoy trading leverage on Marjax. But that is kind of like my my casino money, my I don't care, I can bet this, if I lose it all it's okay money. You know what I mean? Like a few $100s here and there is okay in my books. Um it's not going to hurt me. I'm still going to be able to put food on my table and my house is paid. So that's okay, right? So, obviously do what you guys want. Check it out if you feel like it. But, I don't always over leverage myself. I don't actually ever over leverage myself just because of that, because, it is not fun to rebuild from the start. So I'm going to avoid that as much as I can. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I'm looking at picking up some altcoins. How about you guys? Let me know down below. Are you buying right now, or are you kind of waiting it out? So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks.